16 cool black leaf plants to grow indoors. Indoor gardening has gained significant popularity in recent years as more people seek to bring the beauty of nature into their living spaces. One intriguing trend that has emerged is the cultivation of plants with striking black leaves. These unique plants add a touch of drama and elegance to indoor environments, making them an excellent choice for those looking to create a captivating atmosphere. In this article, we'll delve into some of the coolest black leaf plants to grow indoors, exploring their characteristics, care requirements, and the aesthetic appeal they can bring to your home. 1. Philodendron Black Cardinal. The Philodendron Black Cardinal, a captivating cultivar within the philodendron family, boasts stunning black leaves that exude a sense of elegance and intrigue. With its deeply saturated, velvety black foliage, the black cardinal brings a touch of drama to any indoor space, making it a sought-after choice among plant enthusiasts. The glossy sheen of its leaves further accentuates their dark hue, creating a striking contrast against other greenery. This plant's unique coloration, coupled with its relatively easy care requirements, makes it a standout addition to indoor gardens, adding a rich and luxurious aesthetic to both modern and traditional settings. 2. Alocasia Black Magic. The Alocasia Black Magic is a mesmerizing variety known for its captivating black leaves that lend an air of mystique to indoor spaces. The deep, velvety black foliage showcases a subtle iridescence, adding to its enchanting allure. Each leaf reveals intricate patterns of light and shadow, creating a visually striking contrast against its surroundings. This unique coloration, coupled with the plant's signature arrowhead-shaped leaves, makes the Alocasia Black Magic a remarkable focal point in any indoor garden. Its ability to thrive with the right care and attention further solidifies its status as a sought-after choice among plant enthusiasts who seek to cultivate an atmosphere of elegance and fascination within their homes. 3. Colocasia Black Coral. The Colocasia Black Coral is a captivating plant variety that commands attention with its striking black leaves, creating an air of intrigue and sophistication. The deeply saturated, velvety black foliage showcases a mesmerizing texture that lends a touch of drama to indoor spaces. Each leaf exhibits an alluring sheen that enhances the intensity of its dark color, making it a standout choice for those seeking to add a touch of elegance to their home decor. This variety of Colocasia thrives in well-draining soil and indirect light, and its unique coloration sets it apart as a captivating addition to indoor gardens, making a bold statement and elevating the aesthetic appeal of any room. 4. Colocasia Black Magic. The Colocasia Black Magic is a captivating plant variety renowned for its striking and enchanting black leaves that instantly draw attention and evoke a sense of mystery. The deep, velvety black foliage exhibits a fascinating contrast against its surroundings, creating a dramatic and captivating visual display. Each leaf showcases intricate veins and textures that further enhance its allure, making it a captivating centerpiece in any indoor garden. The Colocasia Black Magic's unique coloration and impressive size make it an excellent choice for those looking to infuse their living spaces with an element of elegance and fascination, all while offering a relatively manageable care routine for an awe-inspiring indoor aesthetic. 5. Colocasia Aloha. The Colocasia Aloha presents a captivating and tropical charm with its distinctive black leaves that effortlessly command attention. The deep, rich black foliage boasts an exotic and alluring aesthetic, showcasing vibrant undertones that add depth and character. The contrasting veins and patterns on each leaf contribute to its visual appeal, creating a captivating display of textures and hues. As a part of the Colocasia family, the Aloha variety offers a unique touch to indoor gardens, infusing spaces with a sense of elegance and lushness. Its manageable care requirements make it an ideal choice for both seasoned gardeners and newcomers, allowing them to enjoy the beauty of these black leaves and transform their living spaces into a tropical oasis. 6. Colocasia Mojito. The Colocasia Mojito leaves offer a mesmerizing display of tropical charm, captivating with their unique and dynamic appearance. Each leaf showcases a vibrant blend of colors, featuring splashes of refreshing green that contrast beautifully against a backdrop of deep, rich black. The intriguing and artistic arrangement of hues evokes the essence of the cocktail after which it's named, exuding an air of energy and excitement. The leaves' intricate patterns and textures create a visual masterpiece that adds a touch of elegance and exoticism to indoor spaces. The Colocasia mojito's foliage embodies a sense of movement and vitality, making it a captivating choice for plant enthusiasts looking to infuse their homes with a vibrant and dynamic ambience. 7. Colocasia coal miner. The Colocasia coal miner captivates with its mesmerizing black leaves, evoking an air of sophistication and allure. The deep, velvety black foliage exudes a sense of drama and elegance, creating a striking contrast against its surroundings. Each leaf showcases intricate veins and textures that further enhance its visual appeal, resembling the coal mines from which its name is derived. As a part of the Colocasia family, the coal miner variety brings a touch of exotic charm to indoor gardens, infusing spaces with a unique aesthetic. Its manageable care requirements make it a desirable choice for both experienced gardeners and newcomers, allowing them to relish in the captivating beauty of its black leaves and transform their living spaces into a haven of elegance and fascination. 8. Colocasia Kona coffee. The Colocasia Kona coffee captivates with its striking black leaves that evoke an air of richness and sophistication. The deep, velvety black foliage is reminiscent of the darkest shades of coffee, creating a sense of depth and allure. Each leaf boasts intricate veins and textures that further enhance its visual appeal, resembling the swirling patterns of freshly brewed coffee. As a part of the Colocasia family, the Kona coffee variety brings a touch of exotic charm to indoor gardens, infusing spaces with a unique and intriguing aesthetic. Its relatively manageable care requirements make it an appealing choice for both experienced gardeners and newcomers, offering the opportunity to cultivate a captivating atmosphere while enjoying the luxurious beauty of its black leaves that transform any living space into an elegant sanctuary. 9. Colocasia Black Beauty. The Colocasia Black Beauty is a striking plant variety that commands attention with its enchanting black leaves, exuding an air of elegance and allure. The deep, velvety black foliage presents a dramatic contrast against its surroundings, creating a captivating visual display. Each leaf showcases intricate veins and textures that further enhance its charm, resembling a masterpiece of nature's design. As a member of the Colocasia family, the Black Beauty variety brings a touch of exotic sophistication to indoor gardens, infusing spaces with a unique aesthetic. Its manageable care requirements make it an appealing choice for both seasoned gardeners and beginners, allowing them to enjoy the captivating beauty of its black leaves and transform their living spaces into a haven of enchantment and fascination. 10. Colocasia Black Gecko. The leaves of Colocasia Black Gecko offer a captivating and distinctive visual display that commands attention with its striking features. The deep, velvety black foliage is adorned with intricate patterns, reminiscent of the graceful movement of a gecko's tail. Each leaf showcases an artistic blend of colors, blending shades of rich black with subtle undertones that create a sense of depth and allure. As a part of the Colocasia family, the black gecko variety adds an exotic and sophisticated touch to indoor gardens, infusing spaces with a unique aesthetic that captures the imagination. Its relatively manageable care requirements make it a desirable choice for both experienced gardeners and newcomers, allowing them to relish in the captivating beauty of its leaves while transforming their living spaces into an elegant haven of fascination. 11. Colocasia Pink Venom. The leaves of Colocasia Pink Venom offer a captivating and vibrant display that draws the eye with its stunning and unique features. The velvety black foliage is accentuated by striking veins and patterns in shades of pink, creating a mesmerizing contrast that exudes energy and allure. Each leaf showcases an exquisite blend of colors, merging the deep black base with the vivid hues of pink to create an eye-catching and dynamic visual effect. As a member of the Colocasia family, the Pink Venom variety brings a touch of exotic charm to indoor gardens, infusing spaces with a burst of color and sophistication. Its relatively manageable care requirements make it an appealing choice for plant enthusiasts of all levels, allowing them to enjoy the captivating beauty of its leaves and elevate the ambience of their living spaces with an invigorating and alluring aesthetic. 12. Begonia Bethlehem Star. The leaves of Begonia Bethlehem Star offer a captivating and enchanting display that captivates with its intricate and delicate features. Each leaf showcases a mesmerizing pattern of silver markings against a backdrop of deep, glossy black-green, resembling a starlit night sky. The unique and artistic arrangement of hues evokes a sense of wonder and elegance, making it a standout choice for indoor gardens. The Begonia Bethlehem Star's foliage embodies a sense of tranquility and beauty, adding a touch of sophistication to any living space. With its relatively manageable care requirements, this begonia variety appeals to both seasoned gardeners and newcomers, providing an opportunity to cultivate an atmosphere of charm and fascination while enjoying the ethereal beauty of its leaves. 13. Begonia Darthvaderiana. The leaves of Begonia Darthvaderiana showcase an intriguing and captivating display that captures attention with its distinctive and bold features. Each leaf exhibits a unique and striking shape reminiscent of the iconic Star Wars character's helmet, from which its name is derived. The deep, velvety black foliage is adorned with intricate silver veins that create a mesmerizing contrast, resembling intricate intergalactic patterns. This begonia variety's leaves exude an air of mystery and allure, making it a standout choice for indoor gardens. With its relatively manageable care requirements, the Begonia Darthvaderiana appeals to plant enthusiasts seeking to infuse their living spaces with an element of elegance and fascination while enjoying the dramatic beauty of its leaves that seem to transport one to a galaxy far, far away. 14. Aeonium Black Rose. The leaves of Aeonium Black Rose present a captivating and alluring visual display that draws admiration with their unique and striking features. Each leaf showcases a deep, velvety black hue that resonates with a sense of elegance and mystery, resembling the petals of a black rose. The rosette arrangement of the leaves creates a mesmerizing symmetry, adding a touch of sophistication to indoor gardens. The Aeonium Black Rose's foliage embodies an air of drama and beauty, making it a sought-after choice for those looking to infuse their living spaces with a touch of enchantment. With its relatively manageable care requirements, this Aeonium variety appeals to both experienced gardeners and newcomers, allowing them to enjoy the captivating beauty of its leaves while elevating the ambience of their surroundings with a touch of dramatic allure. 15. Colocasia illustris. The leaves of Colocasia illustris offer a captivating and artistic display that instantly captures attention with its striking and intricate features. Each leaf showcases a dynamic blend of deep, velvety black and bright green hues, creating a bold and eye-catching contrast that exudes energy and allure. The unique and mesmerizing arrangement of colors resembles a living canvas, adding a touch of sophistication and vibrancy to indoor gardens. The Colocasia illustris's foliage embodies a sense of movement and creativity, making it a standout choice for plant enthusiasts seeking to infuse their living spaces with an element of visual intrigue. With its manageable care requirements, this Colocasia variety appeals to both seasoned gardeners and newcomers, allowing them to relish in the captivating beauty of its leaves while transforming their surroundings into a canvas of nature's finest artistry. 16. Alocasia Black Velvet. The leaves of Alocasia Black Velvet present an exquisite and enchanting visual display that captures the imagination with their unique and luxurious features. Each leaf showcases a deep, velvety black texture that evokes a sense of elegance and sophistication, resembling the softness of plush velvet. The glossy sheen of the leaves further enhances their rich hue, creating a stunning contrast against their surroundings. The Alocasia Black Velvet's foliage exudes an air of opulence and allure, making it a sought-after choice for those looking to infuse their living spaces with a touch of luxury. With its relatively manageable care requirements, this Alocasia variety appeals to both experienced gardeners and newcomers, allowing them to enjoy the captivating beauty of its leaves while elevating the ambience of their environment with a touch of timeless elegance. Conclusion. Growing black leaf plants indoors can transform your living space into a captivating and intriguing environment. These unique plants bring an air of sophistication and drama, creating a visually appealing atmosphere that is sure to capture the attention of anyone who enters your home. From the velvety leaves of the black velvet alocasia to the sleek elegance of the raven ZZ plant, each black leaf plant offers its own distinct charm. As you embark on your indoor gardening journey, consider incorporating these cool black leaf plants to add a touch of enchantment and elegance to your personal sanctuary.